Guys, welcome back to Desi Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with Algae-Form Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com here and click on Algae-Form Airdrop. Well, Algae-Form Airdrop is 10 block to each airdrop participant. To participate, sign up, log into your account, complete the KYC 2 verification, join the Telegram bot, answer the quiz and submit your details to the bot. You can also invite your friends and earn 1 block for each valid referral. So guys, IEO is live in the LA token. So let's know little about the Algae-Form airdrop. So Algae-Form intellectual property and technology include a system and the process that continuously produce high yield, reliable, predictable, scalable and sustainable algae biomass in a climate controlled indoor environment. A mobile climate controlled indoor on-site non-invasive option is also available. The biomass has algae oil intact. This oil contains chemicals such as EPA, DHA and other that can be used as a contributory power for high-value algae derived produce such as omega-3 base nutraceuticals. Alright, so this is all about the algae form, guys. Looks all science to me. Alright, yeah. There are 6 simple steps to complete the registration process, guys. Let's start with step number 1. Sign up at the LA Token Exchange and verify your email address. Click here to sign up at the LA Token Exchange and verify your email address. So guys, I have already registered for the previous airdrops, so probably I'll show you the login, but I can see the sign up also. So what you do, just give your email address here and your password. Guys, you can see here, right? I have already registered, and then confirm your password again here in this box, as well as the referral code is optional here. So click I didn't use and I have read button. Now click on sign up button here. So again I am showing it to you. Alright, give your email address and the password, confirm your password here. Referral code is optional. Click I didn't use this password on the other website and click I have read button. So as I have already registered in the LA Token address exchange, I am just going to show it to you, the login. Alright, so yeah, I'll be getting a verification mail, so I have to send that code here to login. So let me go back, login and come back to you. So guys, since I'm using from the new location, login from the new location, it is asking me, it has been sent code for my email address. So I took the email address, I took the code from the email address and then copied to login. Alright, now step number 2, log into your account and complete your KYC verification too. Alright, so this is my account, guys. I'm just going to my account here to complete the 2-tier verification. So I have completed the tier 2 verification, so now I need to apply for the tier 3. Alright, and then step number 3, start chat with the Telegram bot. Click here to start chat with the Telegram bot. So click on open in web here. Now click on start button. Alright, so please enter your email address attached to your account here. So my email address which I have given for the LA token registration is desiairdrops@gmail.com. Now click on send button. Yes, the spelling is correct. It is asking is the spelling is correct. Yes, the spelling is correct. Now click on yes button. Alright, so guys, you can see here my current balance is 0 block. So invite my friends to the link. To get 10 block, what you have to do, you need to answer the quiz. Alright, now click on the quiz button to answer the quiz here. So the quiz is with some questions. What we do, we have to answer the quiz, right? So where do omega 3s is come from? Guys, I should not tell the answers in the recording. So what I do, I'll just complete the recording. I'll complete the quiz and then come back to you. Alright, please hold on for a few minutes. So guys, you can see here, luckily I have answered all the questions right. So let me check my balance, how much I have earned from the quiz. Here it's trying to update the balance, but then yeah, my current balance is 10 block. This is not block, actually it's BIOG tokens, I believe. Alright, anyway, so step number 4, submit the, your email ID details to the port. Step number 5, click on the quiz and complete the quiz. Step number 6, also invite your friends to earn 1 referral, 1 BIOG for each valid referral. Alright, well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for Algae Form airdrop. If you like the Algae Form airdrop, don't forget to upload and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, latest, legit and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.